So today I received this washer dryer countertop. This is something that goes over your washer and dryer to be able to put, your clothes and fold them on top of there. And I did get this in an exchange for this review. So let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. Okay, so here are the pieces out of the box. Doesn't look too hard to put together, and the reason I say that is because I love when things are labeled and these have letters on them to coordinate with the manual that you have to put it together. Let's go ahead and do that and see how it turns out. Okay, so it is all put together. It didn't take too long. Everything's labeled, numbers and letters, so it was pretty easy. This is the end result. I already have it on top of the washer and dryer, and it fit perfectly. I just love this. This is going to be great because what I usually do on top of the washer and dryer is I don't always just do the same person's laundry at once. I have multiple, so I usually pile it in different sections on whose laundry it is. And I even have drawers I could put them in. And then always, like, sometimes you have that loose sock. You could just leave it in this drawer until you find it again. I was normally just putting it on this shelf here, and sometimes that got lost. So this drawer here slides back and forth. These handles are nice. So this also came with these hanging hooks. I didn't have room on this side, so I just went ahead and put both on this side. But you can put one on each side. So here's a real good shot of it. And then let me show you the space on here. That shelf is pretty deep. Let me go ahead and put some of my detergent on it and see if everything fits well. And check it out. Fits great. And then look at that. Now I have some more shelves up there. This is just great. I love this. I really hope this information was helpful, and I hope y'all have a great day.